Hi, do you like laksa? I grew up with laksa. That was in Kelantan. In Kelantan, laksa is known as lakso. That is Kelantanese. Or there is another type which we call laksa or laksang. Laksa practically using rice noodle and then with the broth, fish broth normally, with some vegetable, raw vegetable and other things which put together. When I grew up, when I traveled to other states in Malaysia, I came across different laksa. For example, in Penang, they call it asam laksa. They still have fish. Then down south in Johor, there's another type of laksa which is rather similar to the one in Kelantan. Both Kelantan laksa and Johor laksa, they have coconut milk. But in Assam laksa, there is no coconut milk. In Johor laksa, it is slightly spicy because curry or spicy thing is added into the broth. Then there are also Sarawak laksa, and also in other states, different states, they have different laksa. When I went to Singapore, there is also Singapore laksa. They call it katong laksa. And for those of you who really like laksa, during this pandemic when you have to stay at home, it is hard to get laksa. If you do not mind getting laksa which is of different flavor but of your own cooking, you can be very creative. So today I'm trying out something very new with what I have. Then I came up with my own laksa in a very short time. It is about 30 minutes. Then all you have. Let's take a look and see if you like it. If you like it, then you may like to try it. Thank you.